Hello and welcome to all. Again, we are going to discuss about the project manager hacks, and today is the hack number 10. So hope you enjoyed all the previous project manager hacks. So these are the strategy, these are the systems you need to build as a project manager so that you can implement in your project and get results quickly. So that is the reason I am showing in each and every video what are the various different strategy you need to apply for your project. So today I'm going to discuss about the multiple stakeholders. As a project manager, you definitely interact with different stakeholders, different team members, different people, and managing those people, managing through proper communication, that is very challenging because all the different people having different mindset, different thinking, different set of uh, aspiration. Although in a project there is certain systems you need to follow so that you can complete the project within a timeline, but then also sometimes it will be very challenging when you are uh, dealing with the multiple peoples in day to day basis, right? So, first point I want to discuss about the diverse interest. As I said that now diverse interest that you need to understand that different stakeholders having different mindset. So they have a different requirement. So every man, every people whom you are dealing every day, they all have a different uh, requirement. So how to manage all those things, that is the challenge. So if you are a great project manager, you definitely need to learn how to handle multiple stakeholders and how to align everybody's thoughts in a threaded line, right? And so that the project will not suffer and project can complete within time, within budget. So diverse interest means everybody's interests are different, but one interest is definitely same. That is within whatever the timeline, within that timeline, your project has to complete. But in between, there is various challenges are there. How to manage those challenges? That is the thing you need to learn, and your job role is to align to everybody. The next I have to discuss about the communication complexity. Same different mindset people having a different communication protocol, different communication they are passing in different time. So related to project scope and different changes may happen because suppose there is an architect, there is a consultant, there is a client, there is a contractors and internal stakeholders, procurement team, design team, all having a different clarity. So what is this clarity? Whatever their clarity, but project has to be aligned with all these people. So you should be properly communicate with all those people, and everybody should be in a single line so that project will not suffer. So communication complexity you need to overcome as a great project manager. Number three, I have to discuss about the conflicting requirements. When there is a meeting and meeting, all the people are present: architect, consultant, client, contractors, everybody is there, and there is a single goal you need to achieve. You have to complete a milestone within specific timeline. But there is a many challenges are there. There is a material management challenge. There is a vendor management challenge. Client pressure is there because you bound to complete that project within that specific timeline, and there is a many things are there. So different people have putting their different ideas. Okay, although all those ideas uh, for the sake of the project only, but there is a certain time there is a many conflicts will come. Your idea will not may not be accepted by the other person, and other person idea may not be accepted by you also. So how to tackle all those conflict, and how to manage, and so that you can come to a conclusion on the right decision, so that project will not suffer, and project will not suffer in terms of money, in terms of timeline also. So that is the conflicting requirements need to handle properly. Next, decision making delays. Definitely each individuals having their different decisions for a particular topic. So sometimes there is a multiple stakeholders are there, and everybody's decision should be aligned with the project. So that is a time is very tough, how to take everybody's ideas, everybody's decision, and as a project manager, how to implement a single decision. So that is the understanding you need to learn, and accordingly you have to take decision. Next, I have to tell you about the risk of the scope creep. Although scope creep has been described in details in my last video, just go and watch that video. So all the steps has been defined in this particular scope creep. It is the basically the clarity is required for the scope. Scope. So scope cannot be so that everybody will be the same page. What is the project scope, the sequential, what is the work breakdown structure, and there should be a proper clarity from bottom to top. All people should know what is the sequence, what is the different activities, and when you need to communicate, what are the different change orders, what is the change order management. So all will come in the scope creep. And the last but not the least, I want to share related to the resource allocation challenges. So as the multiple stakeholders are there and everybody having different job role, as a project manager, it is very difficult to allocate the roles and responsibilities to your subordinates, including the different stakeholders from architect, consultant, designer, and different vendors and all. So resource allocation challenges in terms of material uh, material management, in terms of vendor management, in terms of various resources like manpower resources, equipments, and all. So you need to learn the project management skills in the proper way, so that the what are the sequence, the initial phase, then the design phase, then the procurement phase, and the execution phase. After that, the handover phase. So that way, in different segment, different stages in the project, have a different type of challenges you will face in terms of resource allocation. Even though when you need to uh, payment point of view, also the billing point of view, also you need to pay your vendors, pay your contractors in time. So payment allocation also a different challenge. Sometimes project having a shortage of funding. So how to manage the fund, whatever the fund you have getting from your management. So how to allocate properly to the distribute properly to the different vendors. So there is a many other challenges are there. If you want to know all the details related to the project, related to the MEP systems, MEP project management, and the project manager skills, leadership skills, then you just go to the description box. There is a link is there, the MCG Hub, which is the MEP community group. you join there. And frequently, I am doing some of the free webinars, workshops, where you will get more value related to the projects, MEP projects, and the many other things, the leadership skills and all. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next video. Bye.